Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove Mastercard from your Facebook page. It's very easy to do. For this, first go to facebook.com and open this page. Then from here, go to select your profile icon here. Now select settings and privacy from here. Now select settings. Then what you have to do, here you will see an option adds payment. Select it, and then from here you will see here a Mastercard option. If you add it, you will see this option here. Just there will be an option available, remove. Just click on it and it will be removed from your page. And that's how you can remove Mastercard from your Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.